morning, everybody.
Yes, this is our first day, full day in Turkey at the MARCAN Hotel Resort. We're off to breakfast to see what's left. It's 9:30 a.m.
Cheese omelet.
Please.
Wow, onu ayırmadık şimdi bize.
Breakfast is, I would say, nice. A lot of cheese. It's very Mediterranean, basically, breakfast. Lots of cheese, lots of salamis. Breakfast was okay, I think, because a lot of nice choices went. People took the best of the stuff. We were late, so we didn't get to bed until 3:15 in the morning. So we'll see tomorrow morning, really, but not too bad. We didn't fancy much anyway this morning for some reason. I think we're still tired, but it's really nice to be able to have breakfast outside in the sunshine, surrounded by beautiful views. Absolutely amazing.
Cheese omelet.
Chin chin cherry, I'm having a Turkish tea, traditional. It's not a lot of spice, but it smells alright. Yeah, a bit stronger than usual, but it's alright. Chin. I'm going to wear my sunglasses.
We're going to have a walk round the rest of the resort now and see what else there is, having had a fairly ordinary sort of breakfast, really.
Cuckoo.
But it was
These are my
edible.
new glasses.
It was alright. And we had some nice Turkish tea. The sun's out.
It is a beautiful day.
It's only going to get up to around 22, 23 degrees apparently. So, but it's even cooler at the beach.
Just right for Paul.
Teddy. It's
No.
Bunny and Teddy. We're Bunny and Teddy, we're not Paul and Bunny. And Bunny. Let's go and see what else there is.
Ooh.
It's not messing about.
At least he's getting some sun.
Yeah, much needed sun for my deficiencies.
Surrounding is really beautiful. Mountains. The temperature outside is so nice. The views are absolutely incredible. Temperature is just right. It's just nice to be elsewhere. This is really delicious. It is far better than the breakfast. It is absolutely divine. So we've got some fresh fruit, some melon and some watermelon, and then this is like a flan thing, but it's a lot more like as if they've put some jelly in it. It's very creamy. And this, I don't know what it is, but this is absolutely divine. This reminds me of a gulab jamun in Mauritius, or rasgulla. Oops.
Still.
It's like a little bowl that has been fried and then put in a syrup, but it's more of a honey syrup, and then it's coated with sesame. As you can see there, sesame seeds. It is absolutely divine. And this one is like a semolina pudding, but I don't know what is the white mixture, whether it is a crushed white couscous. I haven't got a clue, but this as well reminds me of a Mauritian version of cassava pudding. It is, the dessert are absolutely fantastic, beautiful. It is out of this world.
Hello, I'm just going to show you around our room. Over here we've got ample storage. That's big. With a safe. Here's the bathroom, well equipped. Good strong shower. Nice sink, 3 toiletries. So there's the bed. Oh, I haven't got the wrong colour, of course. The aircon, which is very welcome at the moment. Luggage rack, if you like. TV. Nice big mirror. Ample desk space. Fridge. Okay, but it does rather get spoiled by the fact that you've only got a wall to look at. But we're figuring out that we're not going to be here anyway much. So that's the room for you. We're going to be going out again soon. We're going to go walk down to the beach, see what's going on down there before dinner. At the moment the bunny's out getting ice cream, and I think she'll be back fairly soon.